Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of voice. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of voice and you will enter. Then here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. In this page you will click on storage and you will enter. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.